Hi guys, let's look at how to export your Trust Wallet account to TokenPocket to proceed your interaction with business.me without any distraction from Trust Wallet. So go to Play Store or App Store, get your TokenPocket downloaded and installed. Afterwards, come to your Trust Wallet to initiate the process of sending your accounts from Trust Wallet to the TokenPocket. So what you're going to do is from your Trust Wallet at the extreme top right here, click on the particular wallet you wish to export. If you have multiple wallets or accounts in your Trust Wallet, you see all of them displayed here. If it is the only account you have, that's fair. You click on it and click on the menu against the particular account. So let's say I want to export this particular account. Click on menu, then choose the medium through which you back up your phrase. So now if you have not back up your phrase, this is the best opportunity for you to do that. It is important to back up your security or your secret phrase so that tomorrow you don't lose access to your account. So you proceed to do that, and then if you already have it done, you use the medium through which you use it to reveal the secret phrase. So you need your secret phrase or passphrase or yes, security phrase or passphrase to be able to transport this account or export it to the other app or any other app. So for instance, I use the manual. Of course, I prefer the manual way because I need to write it down and make sure it is properly stored. Click on manual to reveal your secret phrase, 12-letter word secret phrase. Write it down properly, and accordingly, or copy it if you can. Write it down, and then now use that one to go to TokenPocket to do the exportation. So let's go back to TokenPocket and see how to do the importation. Since we are exporting from here, TokenPocket is the one receiving. So let's go to TokenPocket and see how it goes after you have copied your phrase. So now you have your TokenPocket installed on your phone. Launch it and select I have an account, right? Click on I have an account, and then for the purpose of this video, we are going to export a single network. For instance, on Bitness, we use the Binance chain for our transactions. So we're going to select the Binance chain and proceed to do the importation. Now use the first option, which is the private the recovery phrase, and then in this recovery phrase paste the address that you've copied from Trust Wallet, the 12-letter secret phrase you have copied from Trust Wallet or written down. Type them here nicely after the other, one after the other, using space to separate them. After all is done, scroll down, put your password, a password you can remember, a very strong password, and repeat the password. Once that is done, you proceed to export the wallet. So I'm going to pause this video, put in these details, and we'll continue with the videos. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that I have all those details put in, I will proceed to agree to the user to the service agreement and continue to import the wallet. So what you have here is the BNB assets or the smart chain assets that I have on Trust Wallet. So I can access this account right here from Trust Wallet, from TokenPocket, and still access it from Trust Wallet. Then you proceed to the browser session right here. Click on browser or discover and continue your interaction with, at the top here, put the address bitness.me and just connect. So what it does, it takes you to bitness.me. You click on connect your wallet like we did earlier on Trust Wallet, and bingo, your account has been successfully exported using the same account you used to sign up on Trust Wallet to TokenPocket. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been useful. Thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.